In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Wix affiliate program. So if you're interested in doing affiliate marketing, then you can join the Wix affiliate program. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how much you can get paid, and where you can get started. Alright, so let's just start with going to wix.com, which is a website. Now on here, you can pretty much find their homepage. Now on here, you'll then find a lot of basic info, but all of this is just about stuff you need if you want to build a website. But if you want to join the affiliate program, you can go to Wix Partners and then click Become a Wix Partner right there, for example. Or you can also go all the way down to the footer on the website. Then you'll also find all of this stuff. So right there, you'll find affiliates. If you click on affiliates, it's going to show you over here, make money with Wix, promote the world's leading web publishing platform, start earning now. So this is what we need. Now, if I scroll down, I'll show you how you can become an affiliate. So over 109 million people around the world choose Wix to create their websites, sharing our success with the Wix affiliate program. So if I scroll down a little bit further, we can take a look at what you can get as an affiliate for Wix. So you can see that you can make $100 for every commission, which is great. So make money fast. Our competitive payouts of $100 per sale are among the highest in the industry, and we have a variety of reliable payment options for you to choose from. So per sign up, per conversion, you're going to get paid $100. So it pretty much means that if you can get someone to sign up for a premium plan on Wix, you'll earn $100, and you'll do that for every person that does that. So this adds up quite quickly. You can make some money pretty fast. So there are unlimited referrals. The sky's the limit. So drive as much traffic as you can and get paid for every premium sale you refer. So like I said, just send traffic. When people go ahead and purchase it, you'll earn that money. So if I scroll down even further, we'll show you how it works. So you can sign up for an affiliate account on Wix. You can then promote Wix and you can then get paid. So apply for an affiliate account, plug in Wix creatives and links on your websites, and then profit when your referrals buy Wix premium plans. So like I said, you're going to get paid if people buy a premium plan. Now, in order to get started, you want to click on Start Earning Now right there, which will show you the affiliate sign up form. So this is where you can become a Wix affiliate today. So what you need to do is enter your first name, last name, a company name, email address, your normal address right there, then a city, your country, state, pretty basic stuff, right? Now once you're done with all of that, click on submit, and then you're going to go into a review, and once you get approved, you can start promoting Wix. So what I would do right here, URL, I would just put a YouTube channel link from your channel. Now even if you don't have a YouTube channel where you post content, what you can do is simply click on your channel icon in the top right corner. Let's see if that loads. If you click right there, you'll always go to your channel, and you can then copy that link. I'll show you how that works. So if you click right there, you can click your channel. Even though you're not posting content, you can still copy this link. If you then, let's see, where is it? Right there. Yeah, you can then paste that in here, and there you go. I would do that, or you can enter your website link if you have a website. But yeah, that's what I would do, or just add any of your social media pages, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much how you can become a Wix affiliate and how much they pay as well. So they pay $100 for every conversion, which is great. So you can earn quite a lot of money by doing this. So yeah, if this video helps you out, guys, please consider leaving a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.